Hello kids. My name is Happy Maffy. Welcome to the amazing world of feelings. Today, we are going on an exciting adventure to learn all about the special things inside us called emotions. We are going to talk about our feelings. Do you sometimes feel happy, sad, or maybe even a little bit mad? That's okay. Everyone feels different emotions, and that's what makes us human. Let's sing a fun song together to learn about our feelings. Are you ready? Let's go.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
If you're sad and you know it, say boo-hoo. If you're sad and you know it, say boo-hoo. If you're sad and you know it, then your tears will surely show it. If you're sad and you know it, say boo-hoo. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, take a breath before you show it. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're scared and you know it, hide your face. If you're scared and you know it, hide your face. If you're scared and you know it, find a hug and don't be showing. If you're scared and you know it, hide your face. If you're excited and you know it, jump around. If you're excited and you know it, jump around. If you're excited and you know it, then your energy will show it. If you're excited and you know it, jump around. Lows and pain, feel your feelings every day. It's okay to feel your feelings every day. Happy, sad, or even mad, feelings aren't just good or bad. It's okay to feel your feelings every day.
Wow! Such a nice song. Sometimes we feel happy, sometimes we feel sad, sometimes we feel a little bit grumpy, and sometimes we feel super brave. Let's start with a feeling we all love. This is happy. When you feel happy, your face might light up with a big smile. Your eyes might sparkle, and you might feel like dancing, singing, or giggling. What makes you feel happy? Maybe playing with your favorite toy, or getting a hug from someone you love, or eating a yummy snack.
I feel happy when I play with my friend.
Sometimes we feel a different way. This is sad. When you feel sad, you might feel a little quiet. Maybe your eyes get watery, or your mouth turns down. It's okay to feel sad. Everyone feels sad sometimes. What makes you feel sad? Maybe if a toy breaks, or if you miss someone. When you feel sad, it's good to talk to someone you trust, like a grown-up, or get a comforting hug. I feel sad if I accidentally spill my juice. But then my grown-up helps me clean it up, and I feel better. Uh-oh. This is angry. When you feel angry, your face might get red, your muscles might feel tight, and you might want to stomp your feet or shout. It's okay to feel angry, but it's important to learn safe ways to show it. What makes you feel angry? Maybe when someone takes your toy without asking. or if something doesn't go the way you planned. When you feel angry, you can try taking a few deep breaths, counting to 10, or talking about why you're angry.
If I'm angry, I like to squeeze a squishy toy very tight. It helps me calm down.
Wow! This is surprised. When you're surprised, your eyes might open wide, and your mouth might drop open. It's that feeling when something unexpected happens. What surprises you? Maybe a sudden loud noise. Or finding a hidden treat. Surprises can be fun, or sometimes a little startling.
I was so surprised when my friend jumped out and yelled "surprise" on my birthday.
And sometimes, we feel worried or a little scared. When you're worried, you might feel a bit jittery, your tummy might feel fluttery, or you might want to hide. It's okay to feel scared sometimes, too. What makes you feel worried or scared? Maybe a loud thunderstorm. Or starting something new, like a new school. When you feel scared, remember to be brave. And it always helps to tell a grown-up how you feel. They can help you feel safe. I get a little scared in the dark, but then I remember my nightlight and I feel better. Alright, kids. We've talked about being happy, sad, angry, surprised, and scared. Now, let's learn about another feeling. It's called disgusted. When we feel disgusted, it means something looks, smells, or tastes really yucky. Maybe it's something stinky, slimy, or dirty, and we don't like it at all. Ew! Look at this old, smelly trash. How do you feel when you see that? Ew! Gross! That's right. You feel disgusted. Let's all make a disgusted face together. Scrunch up your nose, stick out your tongue a little, and say, "You." Wow! Those are some amazing disgusted faces. You all look like you just smelled a stinky sock. Feeling disgusted helps keep us safe and clean. It tells our body, "Oh, don't eat that," or "That's dirty, stay away." So, even though it feels funny, being disgusted can be very helpful. Let's remember, it's okay to feel disgusted sometimes. When you see or smell something gross, you can say, "Yuck," and then move away or tell an adult. Great job, everyone! You know what disgusted means, and how to handle it. See? So many different feelings. And guess what? All of them are important. Your feelings are like messages that tell you about what's happening inside you and around you.
It's okay to feel happy, sad, angry, surprised, or worried. All your feelings are important.
The most important thing is to notice how you're feeling and to know that you can always talk to a grown-up you trust about your feelings. They can help you understand them and feel better. So, next time you feel a strong emotion, remember all the amazing feelings we talked about today. What matters is how we express them kindly. Now give yourself a big hug and say, "I can handle my feelings." You are awesome, and your feelings are awesome too. Thanks for joining us on The Amazing World of Feelings. Let's have an activity. What do I feel? I have here on the board different types of emotions. Actually, it's a sticker emotion. We will stick it on the pictures that match the feeling. Let's find out what you should feel in every picture you see. Let's start with the first picture. So, what do you feel if you get out of your house and you see a bunch of garbage scattered on the ground?
Ew! Gross! I will feel disgusted.
That's correct. I will be disgusted too. Let's put the disgusted sticker on the picture. Now, let's proceed with the next picture. What do you feel if you get home and find gifts for you on the table?
Wow! I will be surprised.
Yes? Now, let's put the surprise sticker on the picture. Next. Wow! What if your mom and dad take you to the amusement park? What do you feel?
Happy.
Very good. Let's put the happy sticker on the picture. Oh? Ooh? Your friend played with your toys without your permission and scattered everything on the floor. What do you feel? I will be angry. That's true. But you should talk to him in a nice way or, better yet, ask your grown-ups. Now, let's put the angry sticker on the picture. Oh, ow. You get out of the house and get chased by an angry dog. What do you feel?
Scared.
Correct. Now, choose the scared sticker and put it on the picture. Oh? What do you feel if your favorite pet gets sick?
I will be very sad.
That's correct. Now, put the sad sticker on the picture. Very good, kids. It's okay to feel happy, sad, angry, or scared. Everyone feels that way sometimes. What matters is how we show our feelings. We can use kind words, take deep breaths, and talk to someone when we feel upset. When we care about others' feelings too, we make our classroom a happy and loving place to be. I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. Until next time.